position. I start the same way. Come out. Come in this position. Hand comes out. I'm going above. My shin is going to go right into her, and I can face her feet from this position. Right, so you see how I'm not, look at where my left shin is. It's behind her head. I'm squeezing, hipping down from this position. So I've turned all the way over. Instead of going hip down, which you can also do hip down, you come all the way through. Setting up again. Arm over, knee out, clamp guard, she pulls over, keeping up on my head, getting the arm over. One more time. Notice I'm coming on my forehead, right down, putting all the pressure, allowing the arm to rotate underneath. So I come up, make my connection, come to the side, pull out. Keep my arm above her elbow, keeping it tight to my body. I come here, I rotate over, let the arm go through, lift the belly down. I can also come here, pull the leg, in this position, and finish.